Are you a Magento store owner wanting to deploy upgrades without losing customer sessions? In today's video, we look at achieving zero downtime deployment in Magento. Let's dive in. Website downtime can be costly. It can reach up to $5,600 per minute. But fear not, as zero downtime deployment can be your answer to avoid this loss. Let's cover the basics. What is deployment? Deployment is the method where updates and patches are delivered to end users. It includes building, testing, and deploying new code. And the goal of deployment? To keep your store running optimally and to cater to customer requirements. Now let's delve into zero downtime deployment. It's a process where your website remains accessible during the deployment process. All the changes, upgrades, and fixes happen in the backdrop without interrupting the user's experience. Switching gears, how can you achieve zero downtime deployment for Magento? The journey from Magento 1 to Magento 2 brought in some significant changes, but with it also came opportunities for zero downtime. There are 3 strategies to achieve this. The first is the blue-green deployment strategy. This involves creating 2 identical environments. The blue environment runs your current application. The green environment is reserved for deploying the new version of the application. The second strategy involves using Adobe Commerce, which runs the site in maintenance mode during deployment. But with configurations, you can make this deployment happen with zero downtime. Third, you can use MGT Code Deploy. It's a tool designed to initiate in-place deployments. Let's unpack MGT Code Deploy a bit more. MGT Code Deploy starts with a simple interface and then builds a deployment package, deploying it across each instance. It switches a symbolic link that points to the latest version. Finally, your selected commands are executed after deployment. What makes MGT Code Deploy even more worthwhile? It provides zero downtime deployment, high performance, centralized control, user management, and automated deployments. In conclusion, zero downtime deployment helps your website to roll out updates continuously. It means no customer interruptions and smooth sailing for your online store. That's all for today's tutorial. We hope you found seamless updates and enhancements for your Magento store. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more insights and expert solutions. Until next time.